Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you live today from our Atlanta headquarters, and I've got a beautiful Cybertruck. We just finished outfitting this for this customer. Let me go through everything we did for this guy. First of all, this is T-Max matte gunmetal gray PPF we've installed on here, and I gotta say, from a gray perspective, we've done all kinds of shades, but this T-Max gunmetal gray is really a cool look, and it just fits the Cybertruck. It's got a nice contrast with the black plastic. We put ceramic IR window tint on this, so we've got that darkened out. And the contrast with the grays and the black, it really looks good on this thing. What's next for this customer? We've got our hex slit running boards installed on here. Again, these things look perfect on the Cybertruck. The DNA of the design is very edgy, just like you'd expect from the factory on Cybertruck, and they don't hang too low. I've looked at some other running boards out there. The brackets are sloppy. You can see them underneath. You can't even see them on this. It's like flush underneath. So really nice upgrade with those hex slit running boards on the Cybertruck. Now, what else? Well, we have our rear view mirror that we've converted to a digital camera, and we've got the camera installed on the back up here, and the factory mirror is taken off, and we've got a screen for a mirror up there, which gives you a full rear view mirror even when the tonneau is closed. It's an awesome upgrade and really popular these days for the Cybertruck. All right, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below, let me know what color you want to see next on the Cybertruck, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more content coming your way.